Okay. Now what happens? You see her being at the door, and you are behind her. Guess who is responsible going out of the door? Okay.
Sit. Sit.
Let her do it on her own without telling her.
Oh, okay.
Because she wants to get out, she will try everything to get out. So at this point, you're okay if she sits. You don't need to tell her.
Okay.
So before you step the door, you let the leash loose while she's sitting. Otherwise, you grab her with you.
Okay.
And she's again in front of the door, which you don't want. Okay. Let loose the leash. Completely loose. One hand.
Oh, like that.
Right, okay. Good. Now go to the door and check in with her. As soon as she moves towards the door, you stop and go back again. Right.
Yeah, Mushka.
No, leave. It's fine. You want to deal with the door. It's your door. You don't care about her, but you don't want her to influence your door.
Okay.
Shoulders down. Good. Now go to the door.
You being good?
Claim the door.
I mean,
How would you claim your parking spot? Not by turning away, but turning towards the problem and push her away with your body. Just walk into her and push her back. Right? Okay. That's fine. She accepts the spot. So let her sit on there. How do you feel now? You're waiting.
I was waiting for her to sit.
Okay. You need to demand her to sit. Not to tell her, but you're demanding it. Like,
So
I'm here standing because I want you to sit. Without touching her.
Sit. Sit.
Good. Okay. Now you let the leash loose, hold the end of the leash only. Like, give all the gap and go towards the door.
Should I give you the stay command?
No. Hold the leash on the other hand, which is longer,
Hold the-
right? Because you have to go to the door. If you hold it with this hand, then you drag her with you.
Oh.
Right.
So, just with this hand.
Yeah, just change hands with your leash so you can go to the door without dragging her to the door.
Mushka, sit.
Good.
Nope. Should I put her over there again?
Do whatever you feel like.
Okay, come here. Sit.
Good. As soon as she's doing it and she completes the task, you move to the next task. Correct. Perfect. Grab the door. Pretend you open the door. Check in with her. Good. Open the door. Continue open the door. Turn around and observe her. Okay. Go forward to her and block her. Yeah. Perfect. Wait there. Go a step further. Step forward.
Forward,
Right.
forward.
Good.
Mushka?
Okay. Now go back to your door. You go back to your door, right? Good. Open the door more. Now you own the door.
Oh.
You claimed your door. You claimed the whole picture. Now you call her and you step outside of the door and she has to wait inside of the door. So you invite her out. Meaning is you control the outside of the door.
Mushka. Sit. Mushka, sit.
Claim with your body. You don't need to talk to her, right? Perfect. Move further. Push her away from the door. Okay. Good. You got the look. And now the next, do a small step further and she will sit. A little bit more, just a half step until she sits. Go further. Go. Go. Another one. Another one. Perfect. Okay, now go back to your door.
Amazingly, you know that.
Okay. Step outside and do the same thing again whenever she goes to the door. Claim her back. Just small step and give her time to surrender. One more step. One more. Wait. Small step. One more. One more. Good. She's pretending like, oh, I'm doing nothing. I'm just smelling around here. I really don't care what you're saying. Basically, she's ignoring you.
So what should I do?
Let her sit completely on the pillow.
Mushka.
Good. Okay. Now go back to your door. Okay. Call her back in again
Mushka.
and let her sit. Stay there. Don't claim the door. Wait. She will sit. You can use your knee to defend the door. Not kicking, but just go closer to her. Okay, wait. You see her intention to sit? She's almost there, but she will not give in yet. A little bit more. Good, wait. Block her. Perfect. One more. Block her. More. You have a small battle here. I don't know if you realize what's going on.
What do you mean?